Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Anissa Binanu Bakti with official number A1M221N004. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Anissa Binanu Bakti with official number A1M221N004, and today I would like to furnish my material about translation, the technique about the translation, the technique and the process of translation. Okay, move to the first sentences. Meanwhile, in several ethnocentric studies, religious behaviors shows a diversity of forms in various places. Sementara di beberapa penelitian etnografi, perilaku religius memperlihatkan sebuah perbedaan bentuk di beberapa tempat. Oke. Saya menggunakan literal translation atau penerjemahan harfiah, di mana penerjemahan will you use this translation by maintains the meanings and structures of the real sentences. For example, the meanings of religious behavior turns out into perilaku agama. Okay, move to the second, adaptation, or we fit the context to follow the target of language. Example, phrase menunjukkan keberagaman bentuk to describe about variety in religion behavior. Okay, move to the modulations. Modulation is the changing of perspective without change the meanings. For the example, every place in for example, berbagai tempat untuk kata for the word for the phrase in various places. Okay, move in various places. Okay, move to the second sentences. Reveal that a person's sorry, there's problem with my phone. Reveal that a person's income affects the intensity of religion, and the intensity of religion also affects income. Terungkap bahwa pendapatan seseorang mempengaruhi intensitas agama, dan intensitas agama juga mempengaruhi pendapatan. Okay, analysis structure, subject, a person's income, predicate, affects, two times in two clause. It means and. First object is the intensity of religion, conjunction and the second object is income. Move to transfer, the meaning transfer. To fit the style, the translator make sure the sentences of the target language looks natural, efficient, and follow the norms of the Indonesian language. Include use the word of intensita agama and mempengaruhi. Okay, I use a literal translation where you don't need to change the meanings, you don't need to change the structure of the sentences, and the phrase income affects the intensity of religion. You can say it Indonesia, pendapatan mempengaruhi intensitas agama. Okay, move to modulations or modulasi. The translator use perspective in general way Indonesia to fit the structure. Example, the intensity of religion also affects income. Intensitas agama juga mempengaruhi pendapatan. These modulations make sure the sentences learn learn naturally. Reductions or reduksi. Losing the element that we think need the explicit translation. For example, reveal that you can translate this into terungkap to change the subject explicit because use Indonesian language. And people from the high income groups have more time to go to church for networking. This is my third sentences. The meanings is orang-orang dari kelompok pendapatan tinggi memiliki lebih banyak waktu untuk pergi ke gereja untuk membangun jaringan. Okay. My analysis structure: subject, people from the high income groups; predicate, have more time; object, to go to church. These sentences use causal between economic factor and free time in the specific activity. Meaning transfer: translator. The translator move the idea from Indonesian language to make sure the logic relation maintain their logic relations. High income groups, if you translate it into Indonesia, it means that kelompok pendapatan tinggi, to maintain specifications of economic status. Networking Indonesia, it means that build connection to make sure or to clear the purposes of activity. Fit the style: target language, to fit the target language and to make it more relevant and natural, we use Indonesian norm. Example, penggunaan lebih banyak waktu, to change have more time. Literal translations, penerjemahan harfiah. The basic structure of the sentences used from English to Indonesian. Example, people from the high income groups, orang-orang dari kelompok pendapatan tinggi, have more time into, memiliki lebih banyak waktu. Move to modulations. Perspective, to change and fit the meanings and the habitual of target language. To go to church for networking, it means that pergi ke gereja untuk membangun jaringan. Dalam bahasa Indonesia, membangun Dalam bahasa Indonesia, membangun jaringan lebih tepat daripada jaringan. Bangun jaringan, it's more relevant rather than we use connections, because there is active way in here. Move to my next, amplifications or amplifikasi. Use the add word and phrase to clear the meanings. Example, build or kata membangun, add to describe the functions of connection. With networking, to make it specific. Next, the social drama is a public and symbolic scene in which conflicts or social disharmony are played out. Drama sosial ini adalah adegan publik dan simbolik di mana konflik atau disharmoni sosial diperankan. Meaning transfer: idea in the text, in the source of the text, move into target text, which choose the sentences that fit Indonesian language. Example, social drama, change it into drama sosial. For maintain the teknis istilah. Public and symbolic scene, if you translated in Indonesia, it means that adegan publik dan simbolik to maintain the real description. We use semantic translation. This method used to maintain the real meaning from the source text. Conflicts or social disharmony are played out. Terjemahkan menjadi konflik atau disharmoni sosial diperankan untuk menjaga nuansa arti. Semantic translation. Modulations, the perspective, to change and to fit expression of target language. Example are played out. Change it. It means that diperankan for fitted Indonesian, the habitual of Indonesian. Reductions, in specific phrase, if you summary without change the meanings. Example, in which conflicts or social disharmony are played out, you can summary di mana konflik atau disharmoni sosial diperankan. Okay, next sentences. Many people are willing to pay a substantial amount of money for religious activities. Banyak orang bersedia membayar sejumlah uang yang substansial untuk aktivitas keagamaan. Analysis structure, subject, many people, predicate, are willing to pay, object, or a substantial amount of money for religious activity. Kalimat sumber menyampaikan maksud bahwa ada komitmen finansial yang signifikan untuk aktivitas tertentu. Oke, meaning transfer, willing to pay, it means that bersedia membayar. To maintain, makna to maintain the meanings of kesediaan. Substantial amount of money, it means that sejumlah uang yang substansial. To maintain the high price, the high value with qualitative way. Religious activities, it means that aktivitas keagamaan for consistency of terminology. Communicative translation, it means that the purpose to tell the message clearly and more understandable for the reader. Example, willing to pay a substantial amount of money, it means that bersedia to pay amount of money of substantial that is relevant to Indonesian culture. Transposition or transposisi, change the structures of language, of a grammar, to fit the Indonesian habitual. Example, are willing to pay, into bersedia membayar, where Indonesian language fit to make it more familiar. Amplifications, the add of substantial or in the phrase, it means sejumlah uang, to make it clear, in big amount, in the context of target language. Move to next sentences. The above discussion showed that religious behavior is a part of obedience expressions toward religious teachings. Diskusi di atas menunjukkan bahwa perilaku agama adalah bagian dari ekspresi ketaatan terhadap ajaran agama. Subject, the above discussion, predicate shows that, object, religious behavior is a part of obedience. Move to transfer, meaning transfer, religious behavior, it means that perilaku agama, obedience expression, it means ekspresi ketaatan, mempertahankan makna abstrak, it means that towards religious, and terhadap ajaran agama untuk mencerminkan arah ketaatan. Okay, we use semantic translation because as you can see, semantic translation, you don't need to change the meaning, but you need to make it more natural or follow the norms of Indonesian culture. Transposition or transportasi, the changing of structure Indonesian grammar due to fit the Indonesian habitual. Example, obedience expressions toward religious teachings, change the structures into expression obedience in ketaatan agama. Reductions, example, the above discussion show that, diterjemahkan menjadi diskusi atas, to show tanpa menambahkan, to show without adding element, just like dimana diskusi sebelumnya. Okay, next, religious behavior is often referred to as individual or social activities based on religious teachings. Is often referred as, seringkali disebut sebagai untuk menyampaikan makna bahwa perilaku agama ini dikenal dan diidentifikasi dengan istilah tertentu. Individual or social activities, it means aktivitas individu atau sosial, to tell about activity that privacy or collective. Based on religious teachings, it means yang didasarkan pada ajaran agama. To tell about activities that based from religious the teaching of religious. We use semantic translations because I want to make it more natural. Example, individual or social activities, it means that aktivitas individu atau sosial to maintains the activities with privacy or group. Okay, modulations. Example is often referred to as, it means that seringkali disebut that praise of frequency in this name of religion behavior. Amplifications, amplifikasi technique used to add information or specific word so that the meanings be more clear. Example, penambahan kata yang dalam yang didasarkan pada ajaran agama to tell the clear information about activity and teaching of behavior. Okay. Finally, it will discuss the changes of religious behavior following the next sentences. Finally, it will discuss the changes of religious behavior following the Hajj and Umrah. Akhirnya, itu akan membahas perubahan perilaku setelah Haji and Umrah. Okay. Sorry. Okay, move. The meaning transfer. Finally, it means that akhirnya to tell the procedure of time, it will discuss. It means that itu akan membahas, that telling about something that will happen in the past. Following the Hajj and Umrah, it means that Hajj and Umrah to tell times and procedure between that praying. And this is using semantic translation because I wanted to make it more natural. Semantic translations, like I said before, is a translation technique that you need to make it natural. You need to follow the target language norms and do not make it like kaku. Okay. Finally, akhirnya it will discuss itu akan the changes of religious, perubahan perilaku agama following the Hajj and Umrah setelah Haji dan Umrah. Transposition or transposition, this technique used to fit the structure of the sentences to make it follow the grammar of Indonesian language. Example, it will discuss, itu akan membahas to follow the grammar rules of Indonesians. Modulations or modulasi, this technique of modulations implement to change the expression or perspective to follow the translations to make it more natural. Example, following the Hajj and Umrah, it means that setelah Haji and Umrah we are following. If you following, it means that dalam waktu. In general way, Indonesia, it means that after without changing the meaning. Reductions, example, the changes of, if you make it short, it means that changing Indonesian language with this element, it's enough clearly, and do not need something to add in the other word. In addition, next sentence, in addition, it can also be seen or several psychological variables including gender differences, age differences, and personality factors. Beside that, you can see selain itu ada juga beberapa variabel psikologis termasuk perbedaan gender, perbedaan usia, aktor, dan kepribadian. Okay. Transfer maknanya, in addition, it means selain itu, it can also be seen, itu juga dapat dilihat. Or several psychology variables, is pada beberapa variabel psikologis, including gender differences, age differences, or personality factors. It means that termasuk perbedaan gender, perbedaan usia, dan faktor kepribadian yang memaparkan beberapa contoh variabel psikologis tersebut. Semantic translation, example psychological variables, it means that variabel psikologi yang merupakan padanan tepat dalam bahasa Indonesia disesuaikan dengan semantic translation, tidak boleh terdengar kaku. Transposition or several psychology variables diterjemahkan menjadi pada beberapa variabel psikologis untuk menyesuaikan penggunaan prepositions Indonesians from English to Indonesians. Modulations, for example, on several psychologist variables. If you translate it pada beberapa variabel psikologis lebih tepat dalam bahasa Indonesia terpadat menggunakan on. Expansions or expansion, teknik ekspansi dapat digunakan untuk to add informations if you need it to make it more clear. Even though this case there is no changing in substantial examples, gender differences, the direct meanings is perbedaan gender without other aid because it's clear after the context. The social cultural practice, the last sentences, the social practice of Hajj and Umroh has given birth to various meanings for those who perform it. Praktik sosial budaya haji dan umroh telah melahirkan berbagai makna bagi mereka yang melaksanakannya. Okay, modulations change the perspective from giving birth to various meanings menjadi created diverse interpretation. Transposition, perubahan struktur kalimat, frasa those who perform berubah menjadi for dengan menyesuaikan struktur tata bahasa. Okay, borrowing Arabic language, Hajj and Umroh. Okay, that is my explanations about the process and the technique of translations. Thank you for watching. Ma'am, I'm sorry if I have a problem. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.